Hello, I hope you getting the audio as well as the video. So I'm going to welcome you all for the fourth semester, and I'm going to handle internet programming IP subject to you guys for this semester. So this is what the subject which comes in two flavors, that is what theory as well as what practical. Apart from that, the importance of what internet programming is damn high. Let's wait for some more minutes. Hopefully, everybody can join, and we start with proceedings. And with respect to this new tool, the Cisco WebEx, it is this tool is for me also it is a bit new because I just conducted some what couple of classes with respect to this WebEx. The one more point I need to mention regarding this is the security and as well as the low bandwidth requirement for this tool. I mean to say, even though with respect to slow internet connection, we can able to achieve good clarity, sound clarity, as well as screen sharing and document sharing feasibility. Apart from that, what as I told earlier, this is a more secured tool. We're planning to go for this for all the sessions, and this is what the trial run. And if we get succeeded with respect to this, we used to go for this. So, and with respect to attendance, what up to now only 31 members got connected for the class. So, with respect to attendance, I'm going to clear one thing. Uh, I'm not asking you guys to mandatory attendance for this class, but one thing I'm going to clear for your theory and for your lab, I'm going to be the invigilator. For your lab, I'm going to be your internal examiner. You people keep this fact in mind and asking you to what rethink with respect to your attendance. So I will start with the proceedings. Before that, I used to close many tools which I opened earlier for the earlier session. So, with respect to internet programming, this is what a damn interesting as well as important subject. And what exactly the internet programming, whether it is a programming language, whether it is a single subject, no. So it is the combination of many subjects. I can able to tell you what this is going to be a game changer if you what read and learn this subject with full interest, or else the things are going to be what worst with respect to your academic as well as with respect to this what your career. Okay, I will go with the syllabus straightforward. So I'm going to share the syllabus copy. Hope you all getting what the voice. uh, okay, I'm going to share the syllabus copy. So can anybody can acknowledge what regarding the what syllabus sharing screen? Have you seen this screen? Is it appearing on your respective devices?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Okay. Okay, this is in fourth semester. Okay, be online. I will navigate to that page. Yes. So this is what exactly the syllabus of internet programming. So here the teaching hours is only 4 hours per week. Probably what it will not fulfill our requirement, because at least we need 6 hours per week, because it is very much huge and vast subject. We need to what do some programming, as well as we need to go with some live scenarios. That's why it what demand lot of working hours. No problem, we have 4 hours. We can able to adjust with respect to our lab sessions. For what this what online classes, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 4 classes per week, and parallelly I'm going to record what are the sessions uh, for later use, and I am going to upload the sessions in a while. Before that, we need to go with the syllabus. See, look at here. The first chapter, which is going to explain regarding the fundamentals of web programming, and as well as HTML basics. So the second chapter, that is what HTML2, what which is going to explain what are the advanced concept with respect to HTML. Later we have CSS, that is what cascading style sheet. This is also very much important, and this comes in what our chapter 3. So later the main content of this subject, that is what JavaScript. This is a programming language we used to learn in this what uh, session. I mean to say the internet programming syllabus, and it is very much important, because if you learn JavaScript, you people can able to become UI developers and front end developers. So later in fifth chapter, which consists of JavaScript and HTML document, I mean to say here what we are going to learn how the JavaScript is going to blend with respect to HTML by using DOM. That is what document object model. We used to go with respect to document object model concept. Later, the sixth chapter is XML. That is what extended markup language. What this is what the standard format for data transfer. Uh, we used to learn that XML also, and as well as the seventh chapter, that is what Perl. You people keep in mind this Perl is a programming language. We are learning two programming languages in this what subject, that is what JavaScript as well as Perl. That's why I told the what length of this subject is pretty high. I mean to say the hours what we require to teach this subject. And this Perl is the programming language which is good in what pattern matching and some other what advanced web concepts. So by learning all these topics, what you are going to achieve, that is what the important point we need to discuss here. So before that, for notes, you people need to download from the website. I think you already did that. And in this pandemic, you can't able to go out. Once the things are going to settle, what you need to do, you need to get a printout of that notes I'm specifying again. You need to get a printout of that notes as well as lab manual. So until that, we need to go with our soft copy. So better to download the things from what our website and go with the notes. So I think all are okay with respect to what guest Rathod. Is it audio is clearable to you guys?
Yes, sir.
And then the screen sharing,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Sir.
that's fine. And parallelly I'm
Clear, yes, sir.
okay, and I'm parallelly recording this session also for your later use. I will upload it later as I told earlier. So now we need to know what exactly the benefit of learning this internet programming. I'm going to share the whiteboard. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. So what this internet programming what consists of? It consists of HTML, HTML5, CSS3 plus JavaScript. In turn, with respect to JavaScript, you people learn DOM also. Later, this Perl is separate. Okay, so what you are going to become once you learn these concepts? This is the point of interest. You people are going to become UI developers. UI developers. What exactly UI means? User interface. Okay, so with respect to development, software development, we have three categories. As I told in our last semester, first one is UI development, that is nothing but presentation layer. Sri Gauri not signed in, but waiting in lobby. So better what you need to do, you need to sign in for WebEx first. Later you can able to join without my permission. Got it? Just by using that ID you can able to join, and don't make it too delay. I already started last 16 minutes back. You people are still joining. I don't lose anything, but the thing is you people are going to lose the concept. That's it. Okay, so come to the point. UI development classified into three things. One is UI, later followed by logic, logic layer, or what is that actual programming we used to do here. Later DB design, we may call it as backend. We may call it as backend. So in the third semester you people learned with respect to this layer. In fourth semester you people learning UI concept. This one, this logic layer, you are learning since from first semester. Since from first semester. Actual programming thing. So you people learned C, data structure, and as well as C++. And now you will learn Java. Later in fifth semester, that is what PHP. In sixth semester, VB.NET. These are the subjects which going to teach this layer. I mean to say, which one? Logic, actual programming layer. The only subject which is going to teach what UI development, that is what the presentation functionality designing, that is what in fourth semester, that is IP programming. So later in third semester, you people already learned that database management system, that is what your backend. So partially you people done with logic layer as well as database layer. Only thing is remaining is UI. Okay, I'm going to teach that layer. So here with respect to the industry, what is happening now, people used to what the companies used to hire for the sake of UI development exclusively. So for this, what actually the company people looking at, that is what the candidate should know regarding HTML and CSS plus JavaScript and some what a JavaScript library called jQuery. jQuery and React.js or the framework called Angular. This is what they are looking at. See, this jQuery, React.js and Angular, which is directly depending on JavaScript. That's why what I am suggesting, you people need to know HTML, CSS, JavaScript and DOM. If you know these concepts very well, you can able to become UI developer very easily. This is the stuff. So this is what the thing, what the industry people, what actually they are looking for. For that sake, so you people need to be what you people need to be aware with respect to all these things. So the topics what we are learning in this subject, it is directly what the which is going to directly add the skills which the respective skills which are capable to what placing you in IT profession. That's why what you need to do, you need to go with these stuff very clearly. Which one? HTML, CSS, JavaScript and DOM. Okay, so this is what the stuff with respect to UI development. So we can able to discuss with respect to any issues what you have, any doubts with respect to this what HTML, CSS and JavaScript and DOM. Is there any general questions? If any general questions, better unmute yourself and ask me, because this session we need to know the importance of what uh, the internet programming. That's why I am asking you. Is there any doubts? Is there any issues? How this what a subject is going to influence you guys with respect to your career? No issues, nothing. I'm just asking, is there any what questions? Questions not related to exactly the syllabus. I'm asking how what the subject is going to help you guys. Hello? Yes? Somebody on the line. Hello? ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ. ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ. ಹಲೋ.
ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಈ ಯು ಐ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಯು ಐ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಪ್ರಾಬಬಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 5 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ನೀಡ್ ಇರೋವಂಥ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಇದು ಯು ಐ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದಿರೋವಂಥ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆ್ಯಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ವಿ ಯು ಇ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಿ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬೂಸ್ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂತೆ, ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತೆ ಅದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಟು ದಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಈವನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ BCA, there is no need of MCA definitely. Even after completion of BCA, you can able to get into good job. But the thing is, you people need to know all these concepts very well, along with programming knowledge. Is there any other questions?
ಸರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಸರ್ ಇದು HTML CSS ಜಾವಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ JS ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಇದು.
UI ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೌದು.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ UI ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ 3 ತರ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಪ್ಪ, ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಬರೆಯೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ನವರು DB ಡಿಸೈನಿಂಗು, DB ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸು. UI ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಡಿಸೈನಿಂಗ್. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಸ್ಕೋಪು ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 5 to ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 5 years ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಸ್. ಏನ್ ಕಾರಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್. ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ನ? ಬ್ರೌಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಹೌದಾ? ಬ್ರೌಸರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ರೋಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಫೈರ್ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಇವತ್ತೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಪಿಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದನೇ ವಿ ಜಂಪ್ ಫಾರ್ iRepo. ನಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಸು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮದು ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ iRepo ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ನಾವು ಜಂಪ್ ಆದ್ವಿ. ದಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ರೂ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಲಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ, DB ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಐದರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ C#, Python, Ruby, Gpro, Glang, ಸಾರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಟ್ UI ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ, HTML, CSS ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಬೈ ಜಾವಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್. ಇದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ C#, ಪೈಥಾನು, ರೂಬಿ, ಗೋಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆರೆಕಲ್ 11G, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ MS SQL, MySQL, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವೇರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ವೇರಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ UI ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ದರ್ದಿರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು ಈ ಫೇಸ್ಗೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀವು ಇವುಗಳಿಂದಾನೇ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೋ, ಆ್ಯಂಗ್ಯುಲರೋ, ಅಥವಾ VAU ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ವರ್ಕು, ಇವುಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಡೆವಲಪ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ somebody? ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದಿ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಡಿ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ನಾನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವೆಬ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ PHP ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ನ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಬ್ರೌಸರಲ್ಲೂ ರನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲೂ ರನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಆಗಿ. iOS ಇದು iOS ಅಲ್ಲೂ ರನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? 3 ಹತ್ರನೂ ರನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ 3 ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೂ ರನ್ ಆಗೋ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಬ್ರೌಸರಲ್ಲಿ ರನ್ ಆಗೋ ಥರ ಬರೆಯೋನು ವೆಬ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್. ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗೋ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋನು ಯಾರು? ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್. iOS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರನ್ ಆಗೋ ಥರ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋನು ಯಾರು? iOS ಡೆವಲಪರ್. 3 ಥರ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು UI ಕೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೋ, ಆಂಗ್ಯುಲರೋ, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರನೂ ರನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೆಬ್ಬು ಬ್ರೌಸರಲ್ಲಿ ರನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ರನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, iOS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 ಜನ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅಂಥ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಪ್ಪ ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬ UI ಡೆವಲಪರು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋನ್ನ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವನು 3 ಹತ್ರನೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗೋ ರೀತಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ UI ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್. ಹೋಪ್ಫುಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ the reason behind the importance of UI development. Is there any other questions? Feel free to ask me. No need to worry and hurry. And I am getting the message something like ನೀವು ದೈನಂದಿನ ಹೈ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಕೋಟಾದ 90% 1.5 GB ಡೇಟಾವನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿದ್ದೀರಿ for 2 classes. Okay, is there any questions? Nothing. Okay, then I am going to end this session. So by tomorrow what you need to do, I am going to take the 4 classes, and apart from that you people need to download the notes and as well as lab manual. Probably lab manual is going to be changed. I'm going to change some of the programs by keeping your interest in mind and your development in mind. Later what I used to tell, this WebEx tool, what we are making a trial run. If you are good at clarity with respect to WebEx and as well as screen sharing, we can able to go with this. Okay, so that's it. I don't have any other things to discuss. Let's see in next class. Hope I'm going to done with the introduction portion. We'll meet in the next class. Okay, thank you all. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Manoja, Manoja, ಹೆಂಗಿದಿ? ಆರಾಮಿದೀಯಾ? ಸೈಕಲ್ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇರು. ಆಯ್ತು ಕಣಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ನೈಸ್ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಬೆಟರ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಸೇಫ್ and you need to educate family members